Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to hide your birthday on Fiverr. To hide your birthday on Fiverr, first tap Open your application or visit the official website fiverr.com. Either way, make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged in, tap on More option located on the bottom right. Now tap on Settings. Here, tap on Privacy option. Here you can see various privacy options including two-step verification, sharing online status, send scene status, disappearing messages by default, show your photo, and right below show your photo you will see share your birth date that is enabled by default. To hide your birthday on Fiverr, you just have to deselect it by tapping on share your birth date, and now your friends won't be notified on your birthday. If you want to share your birth date with your friends in future, you just have to come back here and then tap on share your birth date. Then you have to check your birthday for confirmation. Once you do this, tap on OK. Now you will successfully be able to share your birthday on Fiverr as well. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.